Hey everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be guiding you through how to apply two-step white toner transfers onto a t-shirt with the HPN Signature Series and Signature Pro heat presses. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now, if you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell while you're at it. All right, let's get started. White toner printers have been changing the game for customization. With their ability to print with the white of an image through their CMYW toner setup, heat transfer papers from esteemed names in the industry have been produced to make previously unthinkable applications and features possible. Forever, and Neenah in particular, have designed two-step papers specifically for dark fabrics. These papers are not only able to hold images in high fidelity, but they're also self-weeding in that they'll automatically cancel out an image's blank background while also maintaining its inner whites. Assuming you have your own two-step white toner transfers printed, the next step would be to heat press them onto an item. But since you're working with two-step transfers, it won't be as simple as applying a single sheet to your item. So for this video, we'll be demonstrating how to use a 15 by 15 inch HPN Signature Pro machine with Forever's laser dark transfer paper, which will be applied onto a black t-shirt. If you happen to be using another two-step transfer paper, we recommend referring to the application instructions from its manufacturer for any diversions. But let's start with a brief look on how to complete an A-B marriage with our materials and tools. Turn on your heat press and set it to 90 to 120 seconds at 320 degrees Fahrenheit with medium light pressure. If you're using a Signature Pro machine, it's definitely worth noting the Sure Pressure Counter's number for future reference, in case you'll need to press the same material again later. For the image demonstrated here, we'll be preheating the lower platen of our machine for about 100 seconds. The amount of time to preheat will ultimately depend on how detailed your print is, with the minimum time being 60 seconds. Place the A sheet ink side up with the B sheet on top of it. To make your peel easier, put a small piece of paper in the bottom corner. Cover the sheets with parchment paper, then press. When the timer reaches 0, open your machine and remove the parchment paper carefully. Rub the transfer with a cloth for about 5 seconds. Then begin your peel, being very careful to not lift the transfer off the surface of your lower platen. A successful A-B marriage will leave the toner on your A sheet covered in white adhesive. Let your married transfer cool down for a moment before moving on to t-shirt application. To apply your Forever Laser Dark transfer, you'll need to change your time to 30 seconds, but keep your temperature and pressure as is. Bring your shirt to the lower platen of your machine and pre-press it for 2 to 3 seconds. Afterwards, place and align your image where desired on your shirt and use heat tape on all 4 corners of your transfer to keep it in place. Once it's been attached, cover your shirt with parchment paper, then press. When your time hits 0, open the machine and allow the transfer to completely cool down. After doing so, you may peel the tape and carry your sheet off, and your shirt has now been applied with an awesome white toner transfer. To decrease the glossy appearance of an applied Forever Laser Dark transfer, simply repress it with parchment paper on top using the same press settings. Now you may be wondering, how can I make a white toner transfer? Be sure to stay tuned with us as we'll be releasing a video very soon on how to print your own transfers and customize your first t-shirt with a Creo white toner printer system. But to learn more about white toner printers and supplies, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, feel free to get in touch with the MyExpert representative at heat.press/support. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.